So today I'm going to teach you guys how to create your own custom t-shirts. Now my tips does apply to anyone who wants to make hats, cups, sweaters, t-shirts, all these apply. Now let's just jump straight into the video. So things you would need is a Cricut. I have the Explorer too. I just did a review on it. I'm going to link everything in the description box, guys. And the second thing is some type of press. You can use an iron if you guys don't want to invest in one. And this is the one that I have. Now the third thing is a printer. We have a printer, but we just ordered a new one. It was just time to upgrade. So we're about to go pick that up right now. It's ready to be picked up. So this video will be more so of a vlog, but I'm also going to put some time so where you guys can skip to if you guys don't want to enjoy the vlog. I suggest you guys watch the vlog. So we're about to go ahead to get the printer. Also, I want to pick up some shirts so I can do some practicing on. I have a style in my head that I want to try out before I start putting it on the site. Let's just head out right now and get this started. Hi. Hello. The first thing we're going to do is set up your Cricut account. This is going to pop up and you choose your device. So we have the Cricut Explorer. So it says no device found. So we're going to have to connect this bad boy. And we already hooked it up already. So okay. Oh. Okay, USB is connected. Update. Let's continue. Maybe so. These are the projects that we already worked on. Well, my mom's and mine's at the end. So I wonder if I should I teach you guys how to do one, or should we do the ones that we saved?
We're all learning together.
So we should create a new one right now?
Yeah, let's create one.
When you want to create a new project, you will have to click on the top part where it says new project. Once you click that, this will pop up. I'm going to choose a template because I want to create a shirt, so I want to imagine how my shirt is going to be. So I'm just going to go down to where it says classic tees. So here's my shirt. So you see all these grid lines. I want to just focus on the shirt. So I'm going to remove the grid lines. In order to do that, you have to go to the corner where it is 0. Now you double tap that twice. Now that the grid lines are removed, I want to add my text. So I'm going to go all the way to the left hand side and down to text. So I'm going to name this shirt Bourgeois since that's the name of our store and it's our first shirt. So we're going to name it Bourgeois. So I'm just going to drag the font to the middle of the chest because it's the placement where I want it to be once it's printed. Now I want to change the font. So this is the list of fonts that they have, but these cost money. And since I am a small business, I try to do low budget as, oh, that's a bad word, not low budget, but the most affordable as I can. So they do have a free option and a free trial. In order to find the free option, you will have to go to the top and click system. This is the font that I chose, so I'm just going to reposition it and then I'm ready to send it to the Cricut. Once you're satisfied with your creation, you want to go all the way to the top where it says make it. So it gives you a preview of how it's going to look. Before you push continue, you will want to make sure it's mirrored. So you go all the way to the left hand side and push mirror. Once you push continue, it will bring you to this page. Before you can print out anything, it will have some step-by-steps that you will have to finish in order to be able to print. Once you're done completing all the steps, a flashing light on top of your Cricut will start flashing. So that's when you want to make sure that your paper is placed on the shiny side down, and then you're gonna push the button and it will start to make the cut. While it's cutting on your computer or laptop, whatever you're using, it will monitor the progress. This is the end result, so now it's time to start peeling it off. I'm going to use the utensil that it came with. I don't know this name, I'm sorry guys. I'm just going to use this to carefully pull off the lettering.
Okay.
Start from the edge.
Oh, just pull it off, right?
Uh-huh.
Just pull it, right?
Right.
So you want to separate it?
So right now I'm just cutting off the excess because I don't need all of this, but I'm going to save it for some more practicing on or for anything that I might need in the future. On some transfer paper. Now I'm ready to start pressing. This is the first time I'm using the heat press, so I turned it on and I turned it all the way to 200. Now that I'm watching this video, it should be at 250, guys. I'm gonna wait till it gets a little hot.
So it's still rising right now, so I'm just gonna lock this thing down. Lock it down while it's getting hot. I can feel the heat from here, guys.
Okay. Is it hot?
Yeah, it's correct. That's hot. I use this shirt as a sample. It's kind of tiny, but
before I do anything, I want to get all the wrinkles out the shirt so it can be perfect. So I'm going to press it twice, one on each side.
Guys, be careful because it's hot. I can feel the heat like rising. So we're going to
Take the moisture out the shirt.
Yeah, press it. Make sure it's perfect.
Now I'm ready to put the bourgeois on the shirt. But unfortunately, I do not have any parchment paper or wax paper. That is what you need. That is very essential. Mind you, this is our first time doing this, so we're a little new. So I heard that you can use a sheet. So we're going to use this to be the placement of the parchment paper, and we're going to see how it goes. Since this is so thick, we're going to have to press it a little longer than usual, but it's supposed to be about 15 seconds, and you have to have the heat up to 250, but like I said, we're new, and I'm still a little nervous, so I'm just going to do this a couple of times instead of just doing it the one time, which is 15 seconds. Since we didn't have any wax paper or parchment paper, it took us a little longer to press the shirt, so we had to do this a couple of times, and we had to find a thinner sheet. So in your case, I hope you guys do invest in the parchment paper, wax paper. We will eventually get it, but this was just our first time and we got so excited and we wanted to try it out. So we had to do this a couple of times. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. My channel is all about entrepreneur life, beauty, vlogs, and fitness. I upload every week, so you will always be entertained.